Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to make image faded or transparent background in Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular image right here, I'm going to use it and transparent it into the background. First thing first, select the image. Then having selected the image, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here and then go ahead and look for picture format. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on transparent. Then you have transparency options right here. So you can hover your mouse around, and then the more you hover your mouse around, the more you see the effect on the image you have in the background. And everything depends on the degree of transparency you are looking at. So you can go ahead, go on and on, and you can see this is 95% transparent. However, you can do a custom transparent as the case may be. And for that, go ahead and click on picture transparency options. And then this dialog box here is going to come up. Then you can go ahead and check on the preset. Right here, you still have a preset right here. If you click on the preset, it's going to be reflected right here. Then from here, you can control with this slider. You can adjust. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve as far as this particular effect is concerned. So once you are satisfied, go ahead and collapse this tab and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.